Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm not doing any Bloxburg video. Today I'm actually doing something a little different. You probably won't see me doing much of this since I'm not too big of a fan of Meep City, but I decided to join my friend. So we're here with Clara. So yes. And Clara here is Baby Oof and I'm Momma Lit. Run! We gotta go! We gotta get away from this person who is following us. Ew, I don't like her. Okay, Lily, stop. Oh. Creepo. Ah! I think we're gonna get away. Yes. She's so annoying. Shh, baby oof. Oh yeah. I am stupid. Why don't we just go to this? Okay, guys. So this video is going to be maybe a 5-minute, not a very long one, because I will be posting maybe 2 other videos today. So you're actually going to be getting 3 videos, which is awesome. So I gotta go get you somewhere to sleep. Out of my house. He's so annoying. Run! Run! Oof, run! Run, Oof, run! Run, Oof, run! Okay, this run. Let's plant some of these flowers since we're here. A bronze shovel. I want a bronze shovel. How do I get a bronze shovel? I don't know. Okay, let's water it. Okay. Then let's plant this one. Perfect. We can water this. Good. And the last one, I'm pretty sure we'll do a random one right here. And we'll water this all up. And we'll go here to my friends and we'll go there. Baby oof. I'm gonna go ahead and troll my friend. I'm gonna troll my friend. Join my game. Okay, so it is gonna be the same game. We're just gonna go to a different server. it's a diff server. So just TP. Okay, so we're going to head to a different server. And we're gonna start to troll my friend. So this is gonna be quite fun. Teleporting. Teleporting, teleporting. Okay. Let's return to... Oh. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're gonna morph into a kid. Actually, no, I don't. Okay. Gonna go here and see if we can go to her. Hopefully. Yes! Okay, we are unavailable. Shoot. Okay, let's go here. Go to my toys. Get this. Great. Okay. Let's get a pet. So we're gonna get a pet. And it's gonna be awesome. Okay. Someone. Oh. I just want to. Blueberry. Blueberry is your new pet. Actually, my new pet. Hands oof, his new. It's dancing. Its name is Joe the Bow. What do you want? Okay, let's get our banana smoothie. Oof here. Nope. Yes. Okay, so I gave Oof that. Then we're going to have a sip of my drink. A beautiful apple and watermelon smoothie. Great. Oof. Baby. Oof, get in. Okay, so we're gonna take baby Oof on a field trip. We're going on a field trip Okay, so we're going to go into Star Ball. This should be lots of fun. Really excited for this. Level 2 candy. Sure. Let's play Star Ball. Now, a lot of people are actually playing this, like, surprisingly, a lot of people. Okay, let's try this. Oops. Oh my gosh. Ah! Shoot, I sank. And I'm sinking. See if I can. Do I press this to reset? Oh, yes. I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna restart this. Okay, then shoot. Okay, let's rotate our screen and go ahead and get that star. Yes, we got the star. Perfect. And now all we gotta do is get back up here. If I can. Yep. And now we're gonna attempt to get on these things. I'm always really bad at these. So, yeah. We're gonna try. Oh. I guess the star is... Oh, I didn't notice there was a thing right there. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this to come down. Okay. Yes. How do? I didn't get on it. Shoot. It is crowded. That's photo. Okay. No. Shoot. Yes, I got the star. Okay, so I got a star. It's just this thing. I hope I'm on it. Sometimes I don't get on it. This is fun. Okay guys, so we're gonna end this video off right about now. If you guys did enjoy, remember to like and subscribe. And big thanks to Toolvo 2 and Claire Bear. You can go follow them. I will link their username down below for you guys. I'll put their username. And if you are new to my channel, then after watching this video, I think you liked it, hopefully. And I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye, guys.